Sai Ram children, welcome back to our maths class. We will be continuing our chapter 3 addition. Okay, so get ready. Like every day, your book, notebook, pencil and eraser. Okay, now see, today we will be doing skip counting. So do you remember what is skip counting? We have done no? Okay, we will skip count. Repeat with me. Yes. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So like this we can continue with our skip counting. So when you count numbers by skipping some numbers at regular intervals is called skip counting. Now look here, skip counting in twos. See the number line. Now check, from 0 we are starting. So how we are going on? From 0 you have to add more 2 for skip counting in twos. Okay, we are adding plus 2 plus 2. From 0, look here, from 0 we are starting, 2, then 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Like this we are continuing with our skip counting in 2. Okay, now skip count in threes. You can see the chart is from 1 to 100, but the yellow number that is marked there, from there we are starting 3, then which is the next after 3, it will jump 3 times. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 fingers. So we have reached to 6. Then from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this we can reach by skip counting of 3. You can see till 99 we have marked, and this is the skip count in threes. Now skip count in fives. Start from 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, so after starting from 0, again plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5, then again from 5 to 10 how you will reach? You can count on your fingers also. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so plus 5, like this we can do the skip count in fives. Skip count in tens, starting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So again here also skip count in tens. What we are doing? We are adding plus 10 plus 10. 0 plus 10, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Okay, so plus 10 plus 10, and we can do skip count in tens. Okay children, now skip counting. Okay, we will start the lesson. We will be doing from our book. You can do in your book also. or notebook? Skip counting. Skip counting is skip and count. Fix a number to skip. Start the count from a given number. Skip the fixed number and continue counting. Okay, here you can see the numbers. It is starting from 100. After that 102. After 102, 104. So this is the skip count of 2's. So 104, what you will write after 104? 106, that is 106. After that 108, and the last one is 110. Got it? Okay. Now let's see what is the next one. What is written there? 121, 124, 127. So can you tell me how much you have to skip? How many numbers skip counting it is? 121. Count after 121 what you are getting? 122, 123, 124. 3 fingers. So it is skip count of 3's. Okay. So after 127 we will write together. 127, what you will get? 128, 129, 130. And after 130 what you will get? 133. Okay? Clear? $133. Now the next one, see, the honeybee is flying. The number is starting from 140, 145, okay, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175. So you can make it out. It is the skip count of 5's. Clear? Now the next one, tell me, it is skip counting of from 180 it is starting. 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270. So it is the skip count in tens. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, very good. Now this one we will be doing together. Complete the series by skip counting in 2's. We have to write, we have to complete the series. Now look here, the first one is 122, then 124, 126. What will come after 126? 128. Okay, after 128 what you will get? 130. Then 130. After 30 what will come? 132. After 132, 133, 134. So 134. Complete writing. Now the next one is 153, 155, 157. So after 157, 158, 159. Write down 159. Then after 159, count 160, 161. Like this you will go on counting, so it will be correct. Then 161, 162, 163. After that 164, 165. Understood, children? How we will do? You will keep on counting. You will do the skip counting and then write. Now look here, 204, 206, 208. Next, what you have to write? Write it down. 210, 212, 214, 216, 218. Okay? Then the next number is 411. Then 413, 415. So after 415, 416, 417. So write down here 417. After 17, 419. Then count 420, 421. Then 423. Then 425. Okay, now the last one you will complete your own. 615, 617, 619. So there you will start. Okay, after 619, what you will get? 620, 621, and after that you will complete the series. I have explained you, so that you will do. Okay, shall we go to the next page? Now complete the series by skip counting in threes. 130, 133, 136. So after 136, what you will get? Count 137, 138, 139. So write here 139. After 139, start counting 140, 141, 142. Written till here. Okay. After 142, 43, 44, 45. So 145. Then after 145, 146, 147, 148. Done till here. Now the next one, 212, 215, 218. So after 218, 219, 220, 221. Then after 21, 222, 223, 224. Then 224, 225, 226, 227. Then 200, After 227, how you will count? 228, 229. What you will get? 230. Okay? Done? Very good. Now the next one, 500, 503, 506, 507, 508, 509. Then count. After 509, 510, 511, 512. Then 13, 14, 15. So 515. After 515, what will come? 518. Do till here. Now 324, 327, 320. So 330. Sorry, 330. So after 330, 333 you will get. Then 300. After 33, 34, 35, 36. Yes, 336. Then 37, 38, 39. So write 339. And then after 339, 340, 341, 342. Now the last series you will complete. You count and complete the series, okay, of skip counting in threes. The last one, 440, 443, 446. So till here you have completed. Done. Okay. Complete the series by skip counting in fives. I think you all can do fast. This one, it is very easy for you. 150, 155, 160. So start writing. 165, 170, 175, 180. Finished. You have finished before me. Okay, now the next one, 165, 170, 175. So write 180, 185, 190, and then 195. Now 500, 505, 510. What will come here? 515. Now next, 520, 525. Very good. Now 285, 290, 295. Now what will come? 296, 297, 298, 299, then 300. Okay, 300. After 300, yes, do the skip count in fives. 305. Okay, 305, and then 310. So like this, the last one, 625, 630, 635, then 640, 645, 650. So last one, you finish it. Okay. Complete the series by skip counting in tens. Again, yes, 250, 260, 270. So start writing 280, 290. Then after 290, what you will write? Yes, you will write 300. Then 310. Now 412, 422, 432. So you will write 442, 452, 462. The last one 472. Okay. Now 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850. Okay. Now 730, 740, 750. So 760, 770, 780. The last one 625, 635, 645. What it will come here? 655. Then 600. Yes, 600. How much? 65. And the last one 675. Okay, finished. You have understood how you will be doing the skip counting in 2s, 3s, 5s and 10s. Okay. Now this is your homework. Complete the series. Just look at the numbers, count on your fingers, then you will understand how many skip counting is there, what are the numbers, and you can complete it. Okay children, thank you. Bye.